really hasn't amounted to much. It's been mainly just some sprinkles. What we had earlier on was pretty dramatic on radar, but it really didn't show up that much at the ground. You may have seen a few sprinkles as you were driving around this afternoon, but right now, most of that is still moving off to the southeast. Yes, some of it is getting to the ground, but not all of it. So you may find a few of those showers on 33 headed down toward Athens. Once you get just south of Lancaster, you'll roll into some of that headed down into the Hocking Hills. A little more of that when you get down into Athens itself. Some of the darker greens here right along 33. Yeah, you might find a little of that actually making the road wet, but a lot of it is just some sprinkles for now. Dublin Road is dry. We're cloudy at the airport, 43 degrees. Interesting enough, see the darker sky down there? That's looking toward the southeast. That's some of the actual rain showing up there. Southeast breeze at 8 miles an hour, giving you a feels-like temperature of 38 degrees. Your Atlas Butler current conditions in Marysville are at 39. It's 37 in Mount Vernon, 43 in Lancaster and Logan, 43 in Chillicothe. Waverly's at 44. Most places not dealing with much in the way of a wind chill, but in Marysville it does feel like 35, Cambridge at 39. So through the rest of your evening, the temperatures are going to plummet down very, very slowly. It's not much of a plummet, really. It's just a slow glide. 37 by 8 o'clock in the evening, 36 by 9 o'clock, and your eventual overnight low tonight down to right at the freezing mark. We stay mostly cloudy. Believe it or not, for this time of the year, that's actually pretty mild. So it is much warmer than average. Here's what's coming over the next few days. So Wednesday, we get lots of clouds and a chance for some showers. This is the low pressure center that has been generating all the rain in California. By Wednesday, it's moving into the middle of the country. We have another low pressure center in the Great Lakes, and that's going to give us some scattered showers Wednesday afternoon and evening. But then on Thursday, those two systems join forces so that on Thursday it's very windy. Some of the rain may be heavy at times, and we could get some very, very gusty winds out of this. The southern and eastern side of this is the warm side, so it's rain. On the other side is the snow, and that will pivot in here on Friday. So we get some rain and wintry mix that changes over into some snow showers by Friday. Accumulations are still a little iffy. Looks like it's probably less than an inch, but that's still a little iffy for now. So we'll get more into the numbers on that by the time we get into some better data tomorrow. In the meantime, some of the rainfall could be pretty heavy for northwestern Ohio, upwards of 2 inches near Lima, a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch here in Columbus. Marion could end up with a little more than an inch. So it's going to get very, very wet. And once that system goes by, the temperatures plummet. And so that's why we do end up with a chance for some snow showers on Friday with that colder air moving in. So tomorrow, the clouds are thick in the morning. The rain gets here in the afternoon and evening, a high near 50. Thursday, showers, potentially even a rumble of thunder at a high near 57 degrees. 36 on Friday with some scattered snow showers, and we'll see a little sunshine through the weekend.